In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters to Discord. If you're looking to improve the quality of your microphone or reduce unwanted background noise while using Discord, the platform includes several built-in audio processing features that act as filters for your voice. These options can help make your audio clearer during voice chats, meetings, and gaming sessions. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through where to find these settings and explain how to use them to get the best possible sound. To begin, open Discord on your computer. You can use either the desktop application or the web version in your browser, although the desktop version generally provides the best experience and full access to all available settings. Once Discord is open, make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. If you manage multiple accounts or servers, take a moment to verify that you're using the correct one before continuing. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the Discord window, where you'll see your username and profile picture. Click the small gear icon beside them to open the user settings menu. This is where you'll find the majority of Discord's customization options, including settings for your microphone, speakers, and other audio features. Inside the user settings menu, scroll until you find the voice and video section. Depending on your version of Discord, you may also see related categories that include audio processing or advanced voice settings. Open the appropriate section to access the microphone filters. Here you'll find several built-in features designed to improve your voice quality. Enable noise suppression to reduce unwanted background sounds such as keyboard clicks, computer fans, or other ambient noise. You can also enable echo cancellation if your microphone is picking up sound coming from your speakers. Another helpful option is automatic gain control, which automatically adjusts your microphone volume so your voice remains at a more consistent level throughout your conversations. After enabling these features, speak into your microphone and watch the input level indicator to see how your voice is being detected. You can also use Discord's microphone test feature or join a test call to hear the difference these settings make before using them in a real conversation. If you're interested in more advanced audio filters, such as equalizers, voice effects, or custom processing, you'll need to use external audio software that processes your microphone before sending it to Discord. Once your audio has been processed, simply select that processed input device in Discord's voice and video settings. When you're satisfied with the results, close the settings menu and join a voice channel. If possible, ask a friend for feedback on your microphone quality so you can make any final adjustments if needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.